today we have only one person that is new here, Bianca. And today we're gonna learn how to do the pizza melanzana. Mina is gonna help us also. So, instead of doing a pizza with the actual bread and everything, this is the bread. And then we're gonna put the toppings. So we're gonna start with the ingredients. This is tomatoes. This is salt. And this is goat cheese and I will eat it. And this is an eggplant. An eggplant, if you're confused, let me explain it. This is not a plant that gives you eggs. It's called like that. I have no idea. Maybe when the plant gives you the fruit, it looks like an egg. Maybe. And this is my favorite fruit, sun-dried tomatoes. And the thing that I love about it, it's that it's a tomato. The thing that I love cooking about is that I have fun. I can make stuff. I can make food for my family, and it's very fun. And I mess around. So I like to cook because it's fun and you get messy, and that's the good part. My favorite food is tomato because the tomato is yummy. And I like to cook because it's fun and you get to experiment things that you never did. I'm gonna talk a little bit of knife safety. So I'm gonna tell you how to do the grip and how to cut. So the grip is not like this, because you can cut big. The grip is like this. So you start cutting. So I'm gonna do the example. First, we're gonna cut the green part and then we're gonna cut the rest. Now we're gonna cut it like coins. And remember, for the size for knives, it can be more than 5. It can be less than 5, or you have to ask an adult to cut it for you. If not, you can really get in there. Like this. Now we're gonna work the magic. 1, 2, and bam! Oh my god! So now we're gonna spread, we're gonna paint it. Yes. We're using the ghee because the ghee you can use in the fire, but vegetable oil you can't. I'm gonna take a little bit for Bianca and why can't I spread the ghee also? Put the ghee, I want to put the ghee. Yay, now I get it. It smells like my favorite food. Mommy? Oh, Mommy. This is so sticky. I'm doing La Torre de Pisa. We're gonna put it in the oven for 150 degrees. 375. Now what do I do? Oh, now I pick something. Hey. Oh, now. together and you don't want two pizzas cooked together. We're putting salt so it gets more tasty. There's no more space. Ocean salt. It's a better choice. Hello. This. Now, what do I do? Oh no. But there. Oh my god, there's not space enough. I'll just. So now we're gonna put them. Oh. Here. Okay, this is so heavy. I'll have help. No. Okay. Now this is heavy and that is hot. We're gonna wait half hour. We'll put these type of tomatoes, this other type of tomatoes, and I think this gold cheese. And oh my gosh, we forgot the oregano. And we're gonna go to our garden, so let's go. The 20 minutes are passed, and now this is the result. Look how the eggplant is crispy. I'm putting my favorite fruit, tomatoes, but it's not a vegetable. Did you know that a tomato is a fruit because it has seeds? Anything that has seeds is a fruit, and anything that doesn't have seeds is a vegetable. We're gonna decorate. Yeah. An Italian tomato is pomodoro. And this is not from a cow, it's from a goat, and we call it goat cheese. And I like to eat it, and this smells so good. And I want to eat it now. Oh, the marker. This is my eye. And this is goat cheese. It doesn't come from cow. It comes from a goat. I just said that. And also this is from France. And I'm gonna try. Hey, I wanna try. Oh, I have my own now. I know. That rhymes. A chef always tries the ingredients. Now, I will put this. Questi pomodori che piccano, il sale è buonissimo. Buonissimo. Oh, it's very yummy and it's tasty. And the tomato and the salt is very good. This is one way to decorate it. Questo in italiano è un prezzemolo.